Bhanu channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter 4, what books and burial tell us. This is a chapter of class 6 subject SST history. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video, we are going to discuss question and answer of this lesson. Friends, हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 4 से पहले हम लोगों ने 3 चैप्टर्स के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स डिस्कस किए हैं. आप इस चैप्टर का वीडियो देखने से पहले उन चैप्टर्स के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर की वीडियोस ज़रूर देख लें, क्योंकि एसएसटी हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है. और हमारे वीडियोस अपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी एसएसटी हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, वो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी न्यू वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. फ्रेंड्स, हमारे वीडियोस को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें, बीच में स्किप करके ना जाएं. अगर आपको हमारे चैनल का कंटेंट पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें और हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करना ना भूलें. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं. Question and answer. Question number 1. How many types of Vedas are there? Give their name. Answer of this question is, these are 4 types of Vedas. Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Atharvaveda, Yajurveda. Question number 2. In what ways the books we read today different from Rig Veda? Answer of this question is, the books we read different from the Rig Veda in the following ways. First, the Rig Veda was chanted and heard. It was later handwritten, while the present books are printed. Second, the text of Rig Veda is in Vedic Sanskrit, is very different from Sanskrit we read nowadays. Books nowadays can be in several languages. Third, Rig Veda was written in praise of God and Goddess. The Rig Veda includes hymns. The modern books are about any topic at all. Question number 3. In what ways do you think that the life of Raja was different from that of a Dasa or Dasi? Answer of this question is, the life of Rajas were different from that of a Dasa or Dasi in the following ways. First, in the society, Raja was one of the highest civil position, whereas Dasa and Dasi were the lowest person in society. Second, the Dasas and Dasis were slaves who used for work. They were treated for as the property of their owners. Third, they were captured in war by the kings and wealthy people. Question number 4. What kind of evidence from burials do archaeologists use to find about whether there were social differences amongst those who were buried, or how to make a list show that there were social differences? Answer of this question is, first, sometimes more objects are found in one grave than in another. This indicates that the people were buried according to their social status. In Brahmagiri, a skeleton was found with 33 gold beads, 2 stone beads, 4 copper bangles, and a couch shell, whereas other skeleton has a few poles. The differences in number of objects were buried with skeletons suggest that some were rich, others were poor, some could be chiefs and others followers. Question number 5. Why was battles fought in Rigvedic period? Answer of this question is battles were fought to capture cattle. They were fought for land which was important for pasture and for growing crops. Third, some battles were fought to capture people and for water. Question number 6. Write a short note on Rigveda. First, the oldest Veda was Rigveda, composed about 3500 years ago. Second, the Rigveda include more than 1000 hymns or suktas or well said. Third, these hymns are in praise of gods and goddesses. Fourth, these hymns were composed by sages, rishis. Fifth, 3 gods are especially important: Agni, Indra, and Soma. Question number 7. What were megaliths? Name some places where megaliths have been found. Answer of this question is first, megaliths are stone boulders used to mark burial sites. Second, some megaliths are seen on surfaces and some are underground. Third, sometimes a circle of stone boulders or a single large stone is found standing on the ground to indicate burials. Fourth, the practice of erecting megaliths began about 3000 years ago. Some megaliths known as cists had part holes which could be our entrance. Fifth, megaliths have been found in the states of Maharashtra, Vidarbha, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Question number 8. How have people in a society been depicted in the Rig Veda? Answer of this question is there were 2 groups who are described in terms of work. First, the priests, sometimes called Brahmins, who performed various ritu. Second, the Raja who ruled. Third, these Rajas didn't have capital cities, palaces or armies, nor did they collect tax. Fourth, 2 words were used to refer to the people of the community as a whole. Those words were Jan and Vish. Fifth, the people who composed the hymns referred to themselves as using the word Aryas and called their opponents Dasas and Dasyus. Sixth, the Dasas were later slaves and were treated as the property of their owners. Question number 9. How did the people of Inamgaon dispose of their deads? Or how can you say that the people of Inamgaon believed in life? Answer of this question is first, their adults were generally buried in the ground, laid out ground with the heads towards north. Second, sometimes burials were within the houses. Third, vessels that probably contained food and water were placed with the dead. Fourth, one man was found buried in a large 4-legged glacier in the courtyard of a 5-roomed house. Fifth, all these evidences show that the people of Inamgaon believed in life after death. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more videos, press bell icon. Friends, SST ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज़ आप हमारी वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी SST ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको जिस भी सब्जेक्ट के जिस भी चैप्टर का वीडियो चाहिए, आप हमें कमेंट कर बता सकते हैं। हम उस चैप्टर का वीडियो अपलोड कर देंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।